What's really interesting is that if you look at the current 6th grade standards, you can find lots of questions and resources available for those. But when we start looking at what is required for the new 7th or 6th grade standards, there is a resource document that gives samples. It shows the standard written in the teacher language and the state language, but next to that are you're given a sample task. One of the things that's interesting is if you look at the first page, it's 7.3a. This is previously taught in 7th grade classes, and the standard reads, estimate and find solutions to application problems involving percent. This is the type of question that our 6th graders will now be asked to use or solve. So Jake spent $20 on the items below, 2 movie tickets, a bag of popcorn, 2 drinks. What percent of the $20 did he spend on movie tickets? This is a more rigorous problem. We're not asking him the amount simply, we're asking him the percentage. So that's what's different. If you keep looking and you look on the second page, you'll see some questions now that are coming from 8th grade, particularly the one that has the graph on it, 8.7D. In this particular problem, students are given a shape and they're given some points, and they are asked to determine whether or not the points that they're given are inside or outside of that shape. This is new information for them, and the first time that the students have actually been asked to look at an entire grid in 4 quadrants. Prior to this, they've only been asked to look at information in the first quadrant. You'll also see some regarding algebra. If you look at A4B, there's an expression there, and it asks for its equivalent, and it's asking the students to determine the property that was used. In this particular problem, the kids are not asked to solve it, they are asked to determine what is a relationship or which one has the same meaning and value. It's rewritten a different way, but doesn't mean the same thing. That's what they're asked to determine.